You get your hands and you wash it 3 times.
Okay.
Then after you put it in your mouth 3 times.
Okay.
Then after you put it in your nose 3 times and you get your pinky and do this.
Okay.
And then after you wash your face
How many times?
3 times.
Okay.
And then after you get water and put it in your ears.
Now you are missing one step.
You wash your hand.
Yeah, wash your arms.
You wash
How
your
many?
arms
Well, how many times?
3 times. 3 times.
Yeah.
One here, one here, one here, one here, one here. And then after you get water and you put it in your ears and then you do that.
Okay. And
And then after you get this and then do Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen like that. You do it 1 time. And then after that you get your right feet to wash and then your left feet.
okay. How many times?
Right feet then left feet.
How many times?
3 times each.
3 times each.
Everything 3 times. Everything.
Everything 3 times, but except one step.
What?
What's that? After arms, when we have to wipe our head and ears, that step
Yes.
will be only once.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.